Picture a flaky, golden-seared pickerel fillet resting on a bed of chilled greens, catching a thick drizzle of sweet and sour glaze. The best part is, you can have this light summer meal completely finished and on your table in under 20 minutes. To pull this off, you just need a skillet, 2 pickerel fillets, a handful of fresh greens and herbs, and a few pantry staples like honey, lime juice, and olive oil. You want to start with fish that smells like a clean ocean breeze, not fishy. The flesh on the left is bright and firm. If you press it with your finger, it should spring right back, unlike the dull, mushy texture you see on the right. Because we are working with such a short ingredient list, securing a high-quality, fresh cut is the single most important step for this entire recipe. Step 1 is building our salad base. Start with a cup of thinly sliced cucumber and a cup of crisp greens, like arugula or baby spinach. Add a tablespoon each of olive oil and fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper, and give it a gentle toss. You can steer the flavor profile here however you like. Throwing in mint and cilantro keeps things bright and punchy, while substituting an herb like tarragon introduces a subtle anise note. Stop mixing when the leaves look vibrant and glossy. We want a light coating, not a heavy saturation that wilts the greens. By preparing this salad now and popping it in the fridge, we clear out our prep work. When the fish finishes cooking later, it can go straight from the pan to the plate while it's perfectly hot. Next, we build the glaze. In a small pan, combine honey, fresh lime juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a grated garlic clove, and a pinch of chili flakes. Warm this mixture over low heat for just a minute or two. You want it to slightly thicken, but do not let it come to a hard boil, or the sugars in the honey will scorch and turn bitter. This mixture works so well because it maps cleanly onto how our palate processes contrasting flavors. A heavy dose of sweetness from honey coats the tongue, providing a satisfying baseline. Without a sharp hit of lime juice to cut through, it becomes cloying. Dijon mustard acts as an emulsifier, permanently binding these liquids into a cohesive sauce. Restaurant-quality cooking rarely relies on a single secret ingredient. It is a mathematical balance of these opposing elements. Now for the pickerel. Take a paper towel and aggressively pat both fillets completely dry. Then season both sides with salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. That drying step is mandatory. Any residual surface moisture left on the fish will rapidly convert to steam in the pan, acting as a barrier that prevents a crispy crust from forming. Place the fillets into a preheated, oiled nonstick pan over medium-high heat. Once they hit the oil, do not move them. Fish naturally releases from the metal when a proper crust has formed. If the spatula slides cleanly underneath without resistance, it is ready to flip. If you are cooking outside, you can apply this exact same medium-high direct heat method on oiled grill grates or inside a foil packet. To check for doneness, press a fork into the thickest part of the fillet. The opaque meat should flake apart easily under gentle pressure. Take the pan off the heat and immediately brush your warm glaze over the resting fillets. Achieving that perfect golden sear is a test of patience. You have to trust the heat to do its work instead of constantly nudging the protein. Pull your chilled salad out of the fridge and spread it across the plate as a wide, flat bed. Next, carefully lay the hot, glazed pickerel directly on top of the greens. Finally, scrape up any remaining honey-lime glaze from the pan and drizzle it over the fish. In under 20 minutes, you have a dish operating on 2 clear axes of contrast, the hot fish against the cold cucumber, and the sweet honey against the sharp citrus. Grab a fresh fillet tonight, test out your own custom herb blend, and see how easy mastering this 20-minute flavor balance can be.